Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to our next episode. In this episode, we are going to discuss about fiscal calendar and ledger calendars. Generally, we are going to see the fiscal calendar will represent the financial years that might be differed from one country to other country based on their country. Example, in India, we are going to use financial year from March to April. Then coming to be US, that is Jan to December. Then some of Australian companies are having June to July. So it's different. For that, we need to set our fiscal calendar. For this, we are going to be create fiscal calendar for IGUG. I'm in this company. It's a home page. Then go to modules. Under modules, we can able to find is general ledger. Under general ledger, we can able to see ledger setup. Under ledger setup, we can see the fiscal calendar. Click on it. Again, it's a shade form. New calendar. '24, '25. IG, UG, 24, 25 years. Here I am going to be give where it's start the month, April to March. I am going to give starting end of the fiscal year, that is March 31st. Fiscal year name 24, 25. Length of period 14. Here the year is 24 only, so I am going to give 25. And length of periods, it's 14. Sorry. Then create. Okay. The length of period is 1. Then create. See, here we can able to see system have been created 14 periods, that is a 0, start from 0 to 13. Here we can able to see again coming to be here, it's a like a opening period, and this is starting from April 1st to April 31st, first one, and again like this May, June, July, August, September. For every month there is a period have been created, and a closing period is also there. Like this, we are going to be create new fiscal calendar and then saved. This is a fiscal calendar what we have created. Yeah, that's all for the video. Thank you for watching.